The 2025 Mazda RX-7 Veilside is a dream come true for JDM enthusiasts, bringing back the legendary rotary-powered sports car with a modern twist. Retaining the timeless beauty of the RX-7, this special edition features an aggressive Veilside wide-body kit, enhancing its aerodynamics and giving it an unmistakable road presence. The sculpted fenders, redesigned front bumper, and massive rear wing not only improve downforce but also add to the car's menacing stance. The lightweight carbon fiber components and deep-dish alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires further enhance its track-ready appeal, making it a true masterpiece for speed lovers. Inside, the 2025 RX-7 Veilside blends racing aesthetics with modern comfort. The Alcantara-wrapped sport seats, digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto offer a seamless mix of tradition and technology. Custom Veilside badging, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents complete the interior's high-performance look. Under the hood, the 2025 RX-7 Veilside stays true to its roots with a finely tuned twin-rotor 13B REW engine, now upgraded with modern turbocharging technology. Pushing out an estimated 400 horsepower, this rotary beast delivers razor-sharp throttle response and high-revving excitement. A 6-speed manual transmission ensures an engaging driving experience, while an advanced sequential twin-turbo system eliminates lag and maximizes power delivery. Mazda has also reworked the suspension, giving the RX-7 improved handling and cornering precision, making it a joy to drive on both the streets and the track. The upgraded braking system ensures superior stopping power, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits with confidence. With its legendary rotary power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge enhancements, the 2025 Mazda RX-7 Veilside is the ultimate revival of a JDM icon, built for those who live for speed and style.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.